Convert these monitoring traps from a hanging monitoring trap into a bug barrier. You can Google this Seabright sticky aphid whitefly trap. You'll get a lot of places to buy them. First we fold it up to about the logo, then fold it back, reverse it, fold it back, another one. The reason why you want to catch fungus gnats very early in the season is they lay eggs in the soil. The eggs turn into a larva and they suckle on the root system of your plants when they're very young, and you'll find that those nice little seedlings that come up quickly die. You staple this in the spot where there is no glue. And do that again, because they leave you a little spot here to kind of handle a little bit. We'll stick our hands in the center. There's no glue in the center now. The center was the outside. We roll this in. Make sure this glue gets coated all the way around. We don't want to leave an empty space by the time we're done. Now it's just a matter of coming over here. We have our little planter boxes. We put one here, one here. We fill them about halfway full. Trying to make sure to not to get any dirt on the sticky part. Now we have pickling seeds here from American Seed Company. These are one of the better kinds to actually make pickles. And we put about 2 seeds in each little barrier here. And this will help when your seeds first come up. It'll help protect them from all the fungus gnats and sow bugs and everything that wipes out those pretty little brand new seedlings when they first pop up. Now we're going to put about 1 inch of dirt over the top of the seeds. Pack it down a little bit, and those will protect the little seedlings when they first come up and give them a chance to sprout out. Later when they start blooming, that's whenever you want to start worrying about the whitefly and your aphids, and that's whenever you just hang the traps all over the place. And well, we'll try to make some more tips for next time. See you later.